Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the mensuration. What is mensuration? Actually, there are some figures, different type of figures, and we just calculate the measurements or surface area, total surface area, lateral surface area. These all things are included in the mensuration. So let's talk about it. First of all, we will talk about the cube. What is cube? Cube is nothing but a dice. Cube is, what is cube? Cube is dice. Okay, cube is. So let's talk about the cube. I will draw here one figure of cube. This is a figure of cube. Okay, I am drawing one figure of cube. What is this? This is a cube. Okay, actually the all sides of the cube are equal. Okay, all sides of the cube are equal. Now if you want to find the volume of cube, okay, let's talk about it, that how to find the volume of cube and how to construct the formula of volume of cube. First of all, you have to, there is one formula to find the cube or volume of cube. That may be a volume of cuboid, that may be volume of cylinder. You can find the volume of any figure with the help of this formula. We have one formula: area of a base, area of a base into height. So what is the area of a base in this figure? This is the area of a base into, it means that side into side is the area of a base. Okay, side into side means area of a square. What is there? Square is in the base of the cube. So we just write here side into side for the area of a base and into height. Okay, so this is the formula for the volume of cube. What is height? Even height is same as the side, because the cube has same sides. The all sides of the cubes are same. So just because of that, we are writing here s into s. So it will be a s. Okay. So then after, we are going to talk about the surface area. Surface area of cube. Okay, surface area of cube. Surface area and total surface area is same. Okay, total surface area means what? Total surface area means how many surfaces are there in the cube. This is the first, and at this side 2, this is 3, here it is a 4, and in the below it's a 5, and above surface is there 6. So it has a 6 surfaces, 6 surfaces. So 6 into side square. What is the area of a square? Side into side. So we will multiply the area of a square into 6. Okay, so automatically we will get the total surface area of the cube. Okay, so this is the formula to find the total surface area of a cube, 6s square. Now if you have to find the lateral surface area, lateral surface area. Surface area of cube. What is the lateral surface area? Lateral means in this cube's figure, two surfaces are getting removed. It means that this base and this upper part will be removed from the figure. Now, if we remove these two surfaces, then how many surfaces are remain? Only 4 surfaces are remaining. So we will write here 4s square. So this is the formula of lateral surface area. Okay, this is the formula for the lateral surface area. Now this is all about the cube. So this is how we can use the all formulas to find the values of volume, values of total surface area, and values of lateral surface area. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the cuboid. Okay. I'm drawing here one figure, cuboid. Cuboid is made up of rectangles. Okay, cuboid is made up of rectangles. And in the cuboid also we have some formulas to find the volume of cuboid, volume of total surface area, and volume of lateral surface area. Okay, use the same formula to find the volume of cuboid, area of a base into height. What is the area of a base? In the base of cuboid there is a rectangle. So we can find the area of the base. It means that length into breadth. Length into breadth. What is the height? Just we write here as it is height. So length into breadth into height. It is the formula to find out the volume. So what about the total surface area of a cuboid? Now we can find the total surface area of a cuboid. How many surfaces are there? This is the first one. This is the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. It means that even it has a 6 surfaces. So how to find the total surface area? First of all, we have to talk about the, it means that in the cube there was all the surfaces are equal, but in the cuboid these things doesn't happen. What happened? The only opposite sides, opposite surfaces of the cuboids are same. Only opposite surfaces of cuboid, opposite surfaces of a cuboid are same. So let's talk about L into B. Means that this is a L into B. This is one surface, and even here is a L into B. This is the one surface. So we have 2L into B plus this is the height, this is the length, this is the breadth. Even this is the breadth, and even this is the length. So now breadth into height and breadth into height. Okay, so 2 breadth into height plus length into height. So length into height, and here is also length, and here is also height. So 2 length into height. Okay, so if we take the common from these 3 terms, so I just write here 2 LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, so this is how we have construct the formula to find the total surface area of a cuboid. And what about the lateral surface area of a cuboid? Also we can find the lateral surface area of a cuboid. How can we find? Actually we have to remove the 2 surface areas from the base and from upper part. Okay, so these 2 surface areas will be removed, and how many surface will be remember? Only 4 surfaces will be remember. It means that length into breadth will be removed. Okay, then after what will we get? 2BH plus 2LH. Okay, only two surfaces. It means that if we take a common from this, what is common? 2h, 2h. So if I take here 2h common, so I will write here in the bracket b plus l. So this is the formula to construct the lateral surface area. Okay, thank you so much. In the next period we will talk about the cylinder.